Hello, good morning. This is Medical Data Mining, week 2, and we left off last lesson in the chapter of data mining. Just a bit before we go to combine the two fields of medical data and data mining, and we saw Watson. Now I'd like to show some other fields of data mining which do not which are not only limited to the boundaries of the computers with its data and so on. So we will talk about robotics, vision, computer vision, and robotics. And I would like to start this chapter by showing you the greatest robot in all times. So this robot, the greatest robot in all times, tackles one of the hardest problems in the world, which is how to fold clothes, or in this case, towels. So as you can see, the robot first needs to apply some computer vision in order to understand the structure of the cloth, and then it folds it. Okay? I think this is man's greatest achievement of all time. Okay, so you see the robot examines, because each cloth is in a different size and a different thickness, and then understands how to fold it. Yeah. Okay, so that looks maybe that looks quite impressive, but now I need to tell you the big secret. The big secret is that this movie is running 50 times faster than actual speed. So the robot, in this case, is not as sophisticated as my mother, I think. Yeah, but it is impressive, I think. And you see, it makes the piles, different piles, and handles each cloth very, very differently. It responds to reality. Okay. Nice, right? Yeah. Okay, so that may seem as a very simple robot. Today, the number one company in the world that builds robots is called Boston Dynamics. Has anyone heard about this company or seen its movies? Yes, you did? Okay, so scary. Yes, it is. So I'll show you this like a overview of the robots. I think if I can, try to make the introduction and the context to data mining. We always thought that AI, whether it is dangerous or not, we can always just, if something happens, just plug out the computer from the electricity, right? This is something, all computers need electricity. What you will see now are kinds of robots that maybe at some point with their AI will even prevent us, stop us physically from disconnecting the electricity. So, have a look. just to be clear, right? It's not that someone controls the robot with a remote control or something, right? The robot has its own intelligence. And knows where to put each dish, right? So this is in the D. There was a sorry. And again, very important to stress the fact it's not someone controlling the robot from afar with a remote control. It has its own autonomous modes of operation. And the kind of algorithms that we need for such operations are algorithms from the field of pattern recognition and pattern discovery, as well as planning. And in the rest of the course, we will discuss such algorithms. Okay, now moving forward, what do you think is today's the state of the art of these kinds of robots? Something I think all of you already have heard about. iRobot? Well, it's something that drives.
Autonomic cars?
Autonomic cars, exactly. So today I think it's very clear to understand that autonomous cars and autonomous driving is at the forefront of everything, of computer vision, of planning, of pattern recognition, of machine learning and everything. It's like that one task of driving that we do quite easily for robots, and cars today are robots, or these cars are robots. This is the most sophisticated task. Now, it's important to say two things. I don't need to show you, right? This is something that is in the news all the time, and you've seen it. This is so important. It does not relate to medicine. We will touch medicine in a bit. But you know why this is such an important project? Because so many people are killed and injured by driving, by human driving, right? So here is the chance for us to save lives, to save so much life, where the goal is 0 car accidents and 0 casualties. And this is a goal that is, I think, achievable. And I have some jokes about that I will not say now. So if anyone wants to hear the jokes, come to me at the break. Okay. Okay, so that was the chapter about data mining. Now we connect the two and go to the next chapter, medical data mining.